Welcome to Best Buy Report. The Best Benchtop Lathe is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your workshop. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, a benchtop lathe opens up a world of possibilities for shaping and refining materials. From crafting intricate wood turnings to precision metalworking, this compact machine offers the power and precision you need to bring your creative visions to life. Number 5. Jet JWL 1440 vs 14x40 Woodworking Lathe. This is the Jet JWL 1440 vs, a versatile woodworking lathe. It's designed for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. This lathe offers precision and control for a variety of projects. The sliding headstock pivots a full 360 degrees. It features 7 positive locking positions, giving you flexibility. This allows you to tackle a wide range of turning projects with ease. Enjoy variable speed control from 400 to 3000 revolutions per minute. This feature allows you to adjust the speed. It ensures optimal performance for different wood types and turning techniques. It comes with a positive locking tool rest. The tailstock features an Acme thread and an improved quill locking system. These features provide stability and precision during operation. The lathe includes an easy-to-read RPM display. This allows you to monitor the speed. It helps you maintain the perfect pace for your project. Need more capacity? An optional extension bed is available. It increases the capacity to 60 inches between centers. This allows you to work on larger pieces. What we like. This lathe features a pivoting headstock, offering unparalleled versatility. The variable speed and easy-to-read display make it a breeze to adjust and monitor your work. If you are looking for flexibility and precision in your turning projects, you should consider this. What people say. The speed dial is much more handy than my old one, having to manually move the belt up or down the pulleys. So far only turned some goblets and bowls and it worked flawlessly. It is tight, straight, and quiet. Number 4. Powermatic 4224B24x42 EVS Woodworking Lathe. This lathe features a 15-amp quad receptacle. It provides easy access for powering accessories. This feature enhances the user's convenience. The headstock slides and offers electronic variable speed. This allows for precise control and adaptability. It makes the operation much easier. An air nozzle with a quick connect is included. It is designed for clearing dust and chips efficiently. This helps to maintain a clean workspace. It has a brass-tipped knockout bar. The brass tip prevents damage to drive centers. This ensures the longevity of the tool. The control box is magnetic-backed and movable. This design provides versatility and enhances safety. It can be positioned for optimal user convenience. A set of dead centers is included. They hold a spindle for visual comparison. This is useful for precise woodworking tasks. The lathe has a spindle lock and built-in spindle indexing. This is ideal for drilling hole patterns and routing flutes. These features increase the machine's functionality. What we like. This lathe comes with a convenient quad receptacle for your accessories. It also features electronic variable speed and an air nozzle for easy cleanup. If you value convenience and efficiency in your workshop, you should consider this. What people say. Turns large stock without a complaint or vibration. Electric sockets convenient for accessories, A+. Overhead lights A+. Number 3. 1LA 3421 8-inch by 13-inch mini wood lathe. This mini wood lathe is perfect for small projects. It's designed for turning pens, bowls, and other intricate pieces. With an 8-inch swing and a 13-inch distance between centers, it's compact yet capable. It offers the precision you need for detailed work. The variable speed ranges from 750 to 3200 revolutions per minute. This allows you to adjust the speed to match the project's requirements, giving you optimal control. The 3.2 amp motor starts gradually to prevent damage. This feature ensures safety and extends the life of the motor. It comes with a 2.3-inch faceplate and interchangeable tool rests. The MT1 spindle and tailstock taper add to its versatility, and it's backed by a 2-year warranty. What we like. This mini lathe is perfect for smaller projects. It features a soft start motor and variable speed control for safety and precision. If you enjoy turning pens or small crafts, you should consider this. What people say. It seems well made and performs well. Unit is solid and works as expected with only one disappointment, and that is the motor being more underpowered than I expected. The variable power knob makes it super easy to adjust speed. Number 2. VEVOR 7x14 Benchtop Mini Metal Lathe. This mini metal lathe features a robust 550W motor, making it perfect for both small and medium-sized projects. It provides the power you need for efficient and effective metal turning. The aluminum handwheel ensures durability, while the digital display screen allows for easy monitoring of the process. An integrated LED light illuminates your workspace, even in dimly lit environments. With the adjustable knob, you can easily control the speed from 0 to 2,500 revolutions per minute. This allows you to fine-tune the machine for various tasks and materials. The 4-way tool post gives you greater control over your work. Changing tools is quick and easy, simply unlock and rotate the post. The upgraded metal gear and hand will extend the lifespan of the machine. The built-in LED light ensures you can work comfortably, regardless of the lighting conditions. It's designed for turning, drilling, and threading. What we like. This metal lathe boasts a powerful motor and a digital display for easy monitoring. It offers multiple rotation rates to suit various tasks. If you are working on metal projects and need precision, you should consider this. What people say. Everything appears to be working as it should. Tolerances and runouts are as advertised and will not require much, if any, adjustment. It's just a nice little lathe. The forward and reverse switch on the front of the unit has to be set to the desired direction or the switch will trip out. And always be sure to stop the machine when changing gears or directions. The automatic feed works great. Number 1. Grizzly G060210X22 Benchtop Metal Lathe. This benchtop metal lathe from Grizzly is designed for precision. It's a compact machine, perfect for smaller workshops or hobbyists who demand accuracy. The swing-over bed allows it to handle workpieces up to 9 to 12 inches in diameter. This feature provides versatility for various projects. With a swing-over cross slide of 6 to 18 inches, it offers ample capacity for detailed work. This allows for precise control during operation. The distance between centers is 22 inches, accommodating longer workpieces. This feature expands the range of projects it can handle. The spindle bore is 25 mm, allowing for the passage of materials. This feature is essential for various machining operations. The spindle thread is 1 to 3/4 by 8 TPI, ensuring secure tool holding. This design contributes to the machine's overall stability and precision. What we like. This benchtop metal lathe offers a compact size and durable build. It is designed for precision turning. If you need a reliable machine for your metalworking projects, you should consider this. What people say. It has more than enough swing and bed for my needs, comes with plenty of extras and is backed by a large company with decent customer service. Inspection revealed no parts missing. Everything is covered in a cosmoline-like goo, but it isn't hard to remove. Used an engine lift to get it on a prefab metal stand I also bought on Amazon. I found the sturdiness and weight of the machine confidence inspiring. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.